Welcome to Happy Tales for Kids.
Hello, little ones. Let's count together, 1 to 10 with fun fruits. Let's count. Here comes number 1. 1 banana. 1 banana. Here comes number 2. 2 apples. 2 apples. Here comes number 3. 3 oranges. 3 oranges. Here comes number 4. 4 strawberries. 4 strawberries. Can you guess which number is this? Oh, excellent. It's 5. 5 grapes. Guess the number. Oh, yes, it's 6. 6 papaya. Can you tell me the next number? Yes! It's 7. 7 pomegranates. Do you like mangoes? So tell me, how many mangoes are there? Yes! It's 8 mangoes. It's number 9. 9 watermelons. 9 watermelons. Yes! It's number 10. 10 pineapples. Yay! We've counted 1 to 10. Thanks for watching. See you next time.
If you enjoyed it, don't forget to like the video and share it with your friends. And of course, subscribe for more Happy Tales for Kids.